Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here with a step-by-step training, marketing, and programming instructions for your brand new marketing system that I'm going to be building for you. Before I get started, make sure you subscribe to this video channel and ring that little bell to be notified of my next training videos. In the description of this video, you're going to find the links to access the sample template of the lead capture page, which I'm going to be talking about today, and the sales page, and of course, get into the Crypto Team Build Telegram group. I always like to put a little disclaimer in my videos. What I'm teaching you today, what I'm showing you today, may be outdated tomorrow. It's just the nature of the business. I've made about 2,000 videos over the last 10, 15 years. I'll be honest with you, many of those videos are out of date because everything changes on the internet constantly changes. So keep that in mind if you're watching this video maybe a week or a month from now. What you're seeing today, what I'm teaching today, may be out of date. Now, Marty and we make a full-time living using a marketing system like the one that I'm going to be building for you. That's how we make and earn crypto, and of course our affiliate programs, how we earn commissions. We do not trade or buy crypto, we earn crypto. Now, we have been earning affiliate commissions in crypto for years using our marketing system, just like the one that I'm going to be building for you today. In the image below, you're going to see over the months and years, we have banked around $250,000 after expenses using our marketing system and our marketing strategies. Now, this did not happen overnight. And I get a lot of this. We get brand new members thinking they're going to be making this type of money in a week or a couple weeks or in a month. It's not going to happen. If you're looking for something where you're going to get rich quick, this is not for you. And if you find some place where you can get rich quick, let me know. Marty and I have been looking for it, like I say, for years. It's not out there, gang. To survive in this business, you must have a powerful marketing system that keeps working for you 24/7. Now, as you can see, this is our balance in our Coinbase. This is in our Treasure wallet, about 145,000. And this is our balance in our Tron wallets. We have about 10 or 12 of them, about 55,000. What we do is we bank, and we make our profits, what we earn. And of course, we take out our living expenses and our expenses out of it. And this is pretty much our balance. It's kind of a floating balance. If you want your balance in your Coinbase, your Treasure wallet, and your Tron wallet, you may want to pay attention to this training video today, because I'm going to say it again. You must have a powerful marketing system to stay alive in this business. So chances are, if you're watching this video, Marty has built your initial crypto funnel bundle that offers all of these benefits. And of course, you can custom build your own sales funnel marketing system with for all of your offers, whatever they happen to be. I'm sure many of you have heard of ClickFunnels, and there's some other sales funnels marketing systems out there. Well, ClickFunnels cost between $200 and $300 a month. All right? This system is there's no monthly fees, and it's just a one-time payment with a small yearly hosting fee, maintenance fee. So you're not going to go broke with this system, but you must have this system in order to stay alive in this business. Now, what's great about this system is you can import unlimited emails and phone numbers. Marty and I use, of course, we use this system, but I use Aweber. Been using Aweber for years. Aweber costs Marty and I about $200 a month. But I can import emails into Aweber, but I can't import unlimited emails and phone numbers into. In fact, I can't even import phone numbers in Aweber. With this system, you're going to be able to import unlimited emails and phone numbers, unlimited email marketing campaigns, unlimited subscriber autoresponders. You're going to have a sales and splash page builder, so you can build your own sales and splash pages. You're going to be able to make a 10% referral commission when somebody buys this system through you as a referral. It has a Facebook Messenger bot, a text messaging system. Like I say, no monthly payments, pre-made email swipes, ringless voicemail, and more. When you were notified your funnel bundle was ready, Marty sent you the link to the training videos on how to manage your new crypto funnel bundle found here. We'll click through. I'm going to opt in, and I'm going to make sure that you know where to find those training videos. And by the way, there's hours of training back here that's free. Doesn't cost you anything. Many other programs out there will charge you hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars for all this training. And it's free back here, so make sure you take advantage of it. But come down here, right here, Crypto Funnel Builder Bundle. Right here, start. And make sure you start here first. And then jump over here to the product training. Everything that you need to learn how to manage your brand new marketing system is right in here. And we get this all the time. How long is it going to take me to learn this? I need to start like ASAP. I need to start making, a six-figure income in the next couple of weeks. How long will it take me to learn how to use my new marketing system? Gang, it's going to take you a while, okay? Probably a good week of getting in there, taking your time, going through the training, going through my training. Probably take you a good week to get going, all right? So please slow down and go to school. And if you feel you don't have a week to learn how to do it the right way, please turn off your computer and do something else in life, because you will not make a full-time living until you understand how this marketing system works and how powerful it is and why you need it. So Marty has now referred you to me, Harvey the Silver Fox, to build the marketing system I use. Now Marty has built one that he uses. I'm going to build one that I use to generate hundreds of leads every day. Let me say that again. Hundreds of leads every day for my affiliate and crypto programs. Your marketing system will have all the affiliate and crypto programs on this page. I call this the sales page. That looks something like this. And of course, when I program your sales page, of course, your name's going to go here. And most of these programs, I'd say 90%, 95% of them are free to join. But I'm going to give you instructions on how to do that later on. But as you can see, there's lots. In fact, there's 10 of them right here, 10 free to join. In fact, these are the ones where you're going to be paying your prospects way in it's called piffing, pay it forward, into these advertising programs to get them started. And of course, to get you started, your sponsor is going to pay your way in. But you can see this is all the programs here. There's 10 of them right here, and there's more down here. This, of course, is where you're going to be placing your other, your own opportunities not related to the crypto team build programs. That's where they go here. But I'm going to be programming this for you. I'm going to be placing your referral links. You're going to give me your referral links for all these. And I'll be setting this whole page up for you, so don't worry about it, okay? But I'll be giving you instructions on how to do that. Now, with a powerful lead capture page redirecting your prospects when they opt in to your sales page, looks something like this. And as you can see, it's very generic. Of course, your name's going to go here. Very, very generic. And of course, this is where I talk about those free to join and earn advertising programs. When your prospect opts in, they're going to be redirected automatically to this page here, which is your sales page. So now it's my turn to build out this marketing system for you. I'll be posting the instructions outlined below here, one at a time, in your direct message area, your PM area, in the Crypto Team Build Telegram group area, your PM area, in that area in the next few days. The instructions I'll be posting in your DM PM area in the next few days will be, in fact, I'm going to bypass this and take you right down here. First instructions is, of course, I'm going to have built your sales page, placing your name in the appropriate locations here. All right. So number 2, I have your sales page programmed. Up here, you're going to give me your links, your referral links for all the programs here, of which I'm going to place in these images. And then I'm going to post this message, and I'm going to have you make sure that they work. They are yours and they work. So that's going to be number 2. Number 3, you can custom build your own lead capture sales page and email autoresponder for all your offers, but be very careful when you do. I'm going to give you instructions and making sure you know how to do it. And so when you edit, you don't mess anything up, okay? Number 4, your lead capture page is ready. So now I've built your lead capture page. It looks like this. It's going to have your name here. And I'm going to show you where to promote it, how it works, where to get started, et cetera, here with these instructions here. And number 5, here's how to promote your lead capture page using Facebook, generating 100 leads a day or more. I typically generate from 100 to 150 a day. And of course, I send them to my lead capture page. Number 6, work smarter and not harder, having Facebook prospects chase you instead of you chasing them. I'm going to show you how to do that. And then working our way down here, number 7, how to promote your lead capture page using surfing sites. Maybe some training on that. Number 8, how to promote your lead capture page using solo ads. I love solo ads. And I got all kinds of powerful places, solo ad locations for you to promote your lead capture page. Number 9, how the feeder programs work. Finally, number 10, how to use World Profit, which is an advertising platform, as a powerful lead generating source. So over the next couple days, maybe 2 or 3 days, you're going to be getting all of these instructions and training on how to promote, use your new marketing system. So while you wait for me to get your sales page up and running, what I want you to do is watch this video here. Let me turn it off. Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here with another why 98% of online marketers fail. The money's in the list. Why the list is all that matters. Marketers fail. When you watch this video, the light bulb is going to go on and say, that's what I've been doing wrong. So make sure you watch that video. In that video, I talk about how you need to build your sales page. Surprise, I'm going to build a sales page for you that looks like, of course, we've been there already. This one here. So ignore that part where I talk about you building your sales page. And of course, I'm going to be placing your referral links in the banners and the images. It's costing you nothing. So the marketing system I'm building for you is the key to staying alive in the affiliate and crypto business. So you're not one of those 98% who fail I talk about in this video here. Okay, I'm going to wrap this up. But first, I will promote your affiliate and crypto offer or offers using our select free to join and earn advertising programs during my online training sessions. And by the way, I'll do that for you for free. You do not have to have this marketing system for me to do that for you. That's not a problem, because what I want to do is I want to show you how these programs work. Okay? So during one of my live training sessions, I might pick out Infinity Mailer Boost. We might talk about that one day. Then I might talk about and show you, in fact, I'll take your referral links, whatever they might be, and do some posts in Infinity Traffic Boost. And kind of work our way down here. We have Freedom Frenzy, that's a good one. Of course, we have Herculist, and this is a really good one here, which is called Traffic Zipper. But what we'll do is we'll just pick out one of these in one of my live training sessions. You post your referral link, whatever affiliate link, whatever crypto link that you might have, and then I'll do a post in one of these advertising platforms to show you how it works. Now, I'll be announcing these live training sessions in the Crypto Team Build group here. And of course, in the description of this video, I'll have this link in the description of this video. So watch for a posting in the group announcing a live training session where I'll promote your affiliate and or crypto program at no charge. I just want to show you how these programs work. These free to join and earn advertising programs, how they work. And one of the free to join, earn advertising programs found here. Of course, we've been there already. Demonstrating how they work and how you can make them work for you. Okay, watch for my next post in your PM DM area. This one here, where I've built your sales page and it's ready for me to program your referral links in your page. Watch for that one. In the meantime, I'll be waiting for you in the Crypto Team Build Telegram group, ready to help you earn crypto.